Hi, I'm Kanika Aror and I got All India rank 4 and OBC category rank 2 in JNU EE 2021, and this was my first attempt and I'll be sharing some preparation tips with you all. So as far as the exam pattern is concerned, there are 100 questions which has to be answered in 180 minutes. So there is no problem of time management. You can easily answer them all. The important thing here is to be very confident about the option you are going to select and taking right there. For getting a surety at that time, you have to be very clear about 5 important things which you should be keeping in mind while preparing for the same exam. The first one being uh, selecting a good course. So it's very important because even if you are preparing from YouTube courses, YouTube lectures, there are plenty amount of channels which provide you good information about the exam and course and syllabus. So the important thing is to select the best out of it. The second one is making notes of them. So like for an example, if you are watching a lecture on French Revolution, so you have to be writing the short notes of it. You have to be writing the important points, important dates, history, rulers, or whatever you think is important or can maybe useful for your exam, right? So the second thing is revision, and then comes the third thing, which is mock test. You can attempt it on official NTA website, and I think that will be very useful, and it will definitely make you more familiar with the actual exam scene. So I think you should be attempting mock test on official NTA website. So then comes the fourth thing, which is discipline. Discipline is very important. Like if you are where you are investing time, in which in which social platform you are investing time, which is very important. In my case, I'll be investing like 20 to 30 minutes of my day on Twitter, and believe me, that actually helped me because I got almost two three questions correct just by following good handles on Twitter. And then the fifth and the last thing is awareness. You have to be very well aware with your syllabus. They didn't ask anything like they didn't ask so much questions from current affairs, but in reality they just suffix a background story, historical mundane fact to a current affair and ask. And I have a very valid point to prove because like for an example, there's a question on Satyajit Ray, like who named the only Indian director who got honorary Academy Award, right? So so 1921, he was born on 1921, and this is 2021 year. This is year 2021, right? So this is his Satyajit Ray centenary year. So you have to be very smart in connecting things, and if you diversify your interest, then it will be easy for you. So my suggestion is, just get a good command on these 5 points, which are first, selecting a good course; second, revision and making notes out of it; third, mock test; fourth, discipline; and fifth, getting well aware with your syllabus. So these are the 5 points you should be sticking on. So all the best from my side, and wish you luck.